are grateful to our sponsors, Kelly Stafford with Stafford Tree Service, and also Black Cow Cow Manure. If you need your trees trimmed locally, remember Stafford Tree Service at StaffordTreeSVC.com. And please visit Black Cow Cow Manure, that's K-O-W. Remember, both of the contact details are in the description below. Japanese holly. This is called the Japanese holly or pencil holly, and you can see that it has kind of a long, linear looking stems. And in the right situation in a landscape, you could see where you're looking for vertical growth, this holly would make a great addition. You know, if you want something that's kind of like an Italian cypress, or maybe one of the junipers that are column-like, you might consider this because it has that little delicate small leaf. Kind of reminds me almost of a boxwood, though it's not. And it's in the holly family. This pencil holly is one that is going to be used in the landscape where you've got something to give you both that vertical height and also one that could be fairly cold hardy. It's going to take full sun to partial shade. It's going to grow in almost any good soil, though I would improve the soil. That usually means some peat, maybe some cow manure. I would make sure that you water it during the dry times. I like to mulch most of the hollies. I think it helps hold that moisture level, especially during the dry times. As far as a fertilizer, I probably use a good quality mix that's probably slow in its release. As far as pruning, you'll have to prune it on occasion to keep it in shape, but in general, it won't require as much pruning as, let's say a viburnum or maybe even a ligustrum. It doesn't get into many pests, though I have seen some spider mites and scales on rare occasion. Normally one of the soap type products or one of the neem oil products or oil products that are so labeled should take care of it. It's going to be cold hardy for most of America, certainly in the South. If you're in the North and it was real cold, let's say you're in Michigan and it was the first year out, you might want to protect it with some burlap or something, but in general, you don't need to worry about it too much. It's going to pretty much take care of itself. So if you need something that's going to give you that vertical height, that purple, kind of purplish, I say, purple dark green color, vivid light green that turns to a dark green, it gives you a nice effect in your landscape. We might say that, of course, every Saturday at 10 a.m., new videos will be dropping on your favorite social platform. So make sure that you're telling all your neighbors and friends, 10 a.m., hit the subscribe button. For all you folks out there, we need more subscribers, and that's how you can help us, helping you to get more good information about plants and trees and things that go bump in your garden. If you've got a picture of your holly or some other plant that's doing well, or maybe one that's not, go ahead and take a picture, send it to us via the website, and we might put it up on our site and mention where you're from and how conditions are and what you're doing with it. Once again, we want to thank all of you for watching.